Hello everyone, my name is Kavya GL, studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. My topic is about Music Library Database. Tables present in Music Library Database are songs, artists, albums, playlist, and user tables. Tables and their attributes. Song ID, title, release date, album ID, artist ID are the attributes of songs. Song ID is the primary key, whereas album ID and artist ID are the foreign keys. Artist ID, name, birth date, country are the attributes of artist table. Artist ID is the primary key. Album ID, title, release date, artist ID are the attributes of albums table. Album ID is the primary key. Artist ID is the foreign key. Playlist ID, name, created date, user ID are the attributes of playlist table. Playlist ID is the primary key, whereas user ID is the foreign key. Users table, user ID, username, email, join date are the attributes of users table. This is the entity relationship diagram where one table is relation to another table. User go to playlist, select the songs from albums where albums own one artist. This is the relationship between the tables. Create, alter, truncate, drop are the commands of DDL, data definition language. DDL is used for structuring the table. Insert, select, update, delete are the commands of DML, data manipulation language. This is used to manipulate the data present in a table. Creating a user table. Create table user, user ID, username, email, join date are the attributes of the table. Int, varchar are the data types. Primary key, null, not null are the constraints of constraints. Inserting the values into the table. This is the table created of user table. Create the artist table. Create table artist, artist ID, artist name, birth date, country are the attributes. Varchar, date are the data types. And primary key, not null, null are the constraints. This is the table created. This is the structure of the table. And inserting the values into the table. Insert into artist, artist ID, artist name, birth date, country, values. A01 Sanjeev 23 Feb 1999 India. This is the table of artist. Album table. Create table album. Album ID, title, release date, artist ID. Artist ID is the foreign key referring to the artist table. This is the structure of album table. Inserting the values into the album. Insert into album, album ID, title, release date, artist ID. Values AL101 student 17 December 2024 A03. This is the table of albums table. Playlist table. Create table playlist. Playlist ID int primary key name varchar of 30. This is the structure of table playlist. Using alter command, alter table playlist, add created date, adding a attribute to the table. You can see the difference of previous structure of the playlist and now after alter command the structure of the playlist table. Renaming the table playlist. Rename playlist to PLS. The table name has been changed to PLS. Using select command, select title, release date from album where album ID is equals to AL01. It only displays the student of ID AL101, album ID of AL101. That is nothing but title, student, release date is on 17th December 24. Using update command, update album, set title is equals to song, student's song, where album ID is equals to AL101. Previously, we have inserted the title as student. Now we are updating the title as student's song for the album ID is equals to AL101. It has been updated. Using delete command, delete from album where album ID is equals to AL103. The row has been deleted. Using truncate command, truncate table album. The data of album, it has been truncated. Using drop command, drop table album. We have dropped the table. Then there is no table of album. The structure will be deleted. Thank you. This is about database.